Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice typing in your Microsoft Word in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Windows 11 and first of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word. Okay, and if you want to enable the voice typing, we just need to click on the Windows key and the H key at the same time. Wait, let me practice it. Okay, and this button will appear and then you will be able to do the voice typing. Okay, and if you want to close it, just click on this X button. Okay, again, you can press the Windows and the H button. Okay, you can press this key at the same time and you will get the voice typing like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable the voice typing in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!